Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that Husqvara 346 XP. That's the 2.7 cubic inch, 45 cc, 3.4 horsepower motor. It weighs 10.6 pounds, power head on this. Very popular lightweight chainsaw. And we'll take a look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is right on top, the red button. Choke is right here. Has the operator presence lever right here. That trigger won't throttle up until you have your hand in place. And it's got the foot pad and hand protector right down here. That helps protect your hand in case of a chain that flips off. And for starting this saw on the ground, it serves as a place to put your foot, and then you get a hold of that handlebar with the other hand, good at the hand, and start that saw. Got a working chain brake, 20-inch chain and bar, .325 pitch. Just a good running little chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.